Hi, this is exercise 2.2 NCERT class 9, question number 4. The difference between two positive integers is 63. The ratio of the two integers is 2:5. Find the two integers. This we will be doing by taking one variable. We can do the same sum by taking two variables also. But as we are talking about linear equations, in one variable, we'll take one variable. As there are two positive integers, so let first integer be x. Now the second integer, as the difference between the two is 63, the second integer can be x plus 63 or x minus 63. As if we take x plus 63, this x will become smaller integer and x plus 63 will become bigger one. And if we take x minus 63 will become smaller number and the second x will become the bigger one. Now the ratio of the two integers is n1 by n2, that is number 1 by number 2 is 2:5. So we can see here the first integer is smaller and the second one is bigger as 2 is smaller than 5. So first we will write smaller one divided by a bigger one, x plus 63. Here I am taking x plus 63 as the second integer. You can even take x minus 63. In that case, the ratio will become x minus 63 upon x is 2/5. But we are not taking this. We are taking x as the smaller one and x plus 63 as the bigger one is equal to 2/5. Now what we will do, we will cross multiply the two ratios like this. This will become 5x is equal to 2 times x plus 63. This will become 5x is equal to 2x plus 63 into 2, that is 126. Now this will become 5x minus 2x is equal to 126. 3x is equal to 126. X is 126 divided by 3, that is 42. Now this x is 42. So x plus 63, the second one will become 42 plus 63, that is 105. So the two numbers will become 42 and 105.